Hey guys, I'm Dominic. I work at Dataedo as a metadata engineer. And in this video, I will show you how to create and use custom fields within Dataedo Desktop. So custom fields are a very useful tool to create, for example, labels, descriptions, everything that you would like to add to your data assets within your documentation to describe it better. So you can create a custom field that includes data steward, some label, anything you would like. So in order to do that, you click on your documentation, then click on custom fields, and then add. Right now, I can specify the title of my custom fields. So for example, my custom field, and select type of it. So it can be just a freeform text, but it also can be a drop-down number, checkbox, etc. So I will select, for example, drop-down, and then I can assign a class of this custom field. So is it more a description, label, status, role? All of these things you can see here. So I will create a label and add definition. So these can be possible values for this custom field. So value 1, 2, 3. Then I can specify visibility of this specific custom field. So do I want to see this custom field at every single object, every single type of an object, or I want to enable it just for some types of objects? So maybe I want to show it just for subject areas, triggers, columns, and disable for other types of objects. So I will disable it for relationship and parameters, and I'm done. I can also add a description of this custom field, and then I click on OK. Now I can see my newly created custom field right here with all the specified visibility in this table. You can create up to 100 custom fields, so you can cover pretty much every use case using custom fields without any problem. So then I can head on save. And as you can see, on the level of documentation, I can see this my custom field right here as a dropdown, and I can select from values I specified before. This custom field will be also visible on a table level. So when I go to table, I also have this my custom field right here. On a column level, it is visible right here, and it will be visible in every object I specified before within this visibility field. Thank you very much. I hope this feature will help you improve your data documentation.